Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 4 in my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this Peppermint Mocha Dotticure. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that I'll be using today are Holo Taco Blushed Ice, which I'll be using for the base color, and then for the Dotticure, Not Milky White, Espresso Your Holo, Favorite Sister, and Holo Cappuccino. I have a small lid that I'll be putting the polish out on, and a couple different sizes of dotting tools. Then I have several stamper heads that I'll be working on to create the pattern, and I'm basically just going to go one color at a time until there is a nail-shaped area covered. And if there's a few gaps, that's okay, because then the base color will just peek through. I let the decal dry, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my nails. I'm kind of matching up each one with the nail that they fit on, and I'm going to be using a little bit of long-lasting base coat to add a bit of stickiness to the nail to make sure it transfers over smoothly. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish everything off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. This particular Dotticure technique creates a very easy to work with decal, and if you don't want to do the work for all your nails, this is another one that looks really good as an accent nail. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can check out the scattered holo, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.